Yes, sir, YouTube. What's happening with it, man? It's your boy, TRAVYJ, back at you with another video. Hope everybody's feeling good, feeling great today, man. Your boy is feeling lovely, man. That pack has just landed. That's right, man. Your boy's got a couple of unboxings I want to share with y'all today. You know, just a couple of sneaker app dubs, man. You know, nothing too crazy, just something light. You know, hadn't been getting a lot of sneaker app W's lately, man. So your boy just trying to get back in the rhythm of getting that Nike account back active again. You know what I mean? But you know, I've been getting a couple here or there. I ain't gonna say I ain't been getting nothing, but it ain't what it used to be. You know what I mean? Because honestly, I've been doing, you know, Finish Line, JD Sports, exclusive access a lot, man. So not too many times that I use the Snkrs app. A lot of times the Snkrs app for me is more of a last resort because, you know, lately I've been getting stuff early, or I just rather have my stuff the day of. A lot of times, just to be honest with y'all, I don't like waiting on my shoes. So, you know, Snkrs app is kind of like a last resort, you know, when it comes to picking up my sneakers. But anyway, like I said, I just got a couple of unboxings I want to share with y'all today. You know, I'm just trying to stay consistent, man. Keep the positive vibes going, keep the energy flowing, you know, things like that, man. And speaking of which, and keeping the things flowing, go ahead and hit that like button for your boy. Hit the subscribe button as well if you are new around here. Go ahead and kick back, relax, enjoy the show, and don't be a stranger, you know what I mean? But definitely go ahead and hit that like button. It definitely helps your boy go a long way. I'm trying to rebuild this channel as it is a brand new channel. As some of you may know, I lost my channel last year, so your boy just trying to rebuild. I'm in rebuild mode right now, man. So it definitely goes a long way by hitting that like button. And also feel free to subscribe if you like what you see, man. You know, it won't go unnoticed. And as always, the support is truly appreciated. And also you can go and give me a follow on Instagram as well at TRAVYJOFFICIAL. That's where I style my kicks, you know, put my drip on and everything like that, man. You know, outfit of the day, kicks of the day, you know, just some cool shots I take every now and then, you know, when I got a little fresh fit on. So definitely follow me over there as well, and it'll truly be greatly appreciated. All right, y'all, with all that out of the way, let me go ahead and get into these kicks and show y'all what I picked up. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and knock this one out first, man. I think I know what this one is already. It's a smaller box. Yep, just as I thought. So your boy finally got his hands on a dunk that I've been waiting on for a while, man. These actually restocked on last week, and you know, I want to say it was more on the limited side because they've been restocking all over the place, man. A lot of sites have been getting this shoe, you know, restocking lately, and every time they drop this shoe, it sells out instantly. So we're gonna go and get into it, man. We got the NIKEDUNK Low SP. Colorway is gonna be veneer, deep purple. Went with a size 9. This is a personal pair, and like I said, y'all, this has been a long time coming. And first out of the way, today we have the NIKEDUNK Low SP in that, you guessed it, yes sir, man, we got the veneers on deck, finally in hand. And let's go and take a look at these guys, man. This is the first time me seeing these in hand ever. And hey, just like our picture, man, these are dope. Very, very dope, man. I've been chasing this shoe for a very long time, man. And I shouldn't say I've been chasing it, you know, I just kind of got away from me every time they release, you know what I'm saying? So but you know, nice quality suede on them, man. You know, materials are crazy on these. And speaking of these, man, I never brought these to the channel, but I picked up another pair recently a couple of months ago as well. So give me 1 second, let me show you what I'm talking about. And yes sir, your boy did get the Dusty Olives as well, man, a couple of months ago when they released back on the Snkrs app. So this was another Snkrs app W that I got earlier in the year, man. And this was another one that was, you know, definitely on my radar that I never got my hands on. So definitely happy to add these to the collection as well. Now that I got the veneers, it's only one more pair that I'm missing, and this one released a few weeks back, man, and that's that plum colorway. That one was like crazy limited or something, because like I was definitely on Snkrs app as soon as, you know, it was time for me to go ahead and pull the trigger, man. And you know, I just took that instant L. So definitely need to get the plums added to the collection, man. I'm glad that Nike is actually bringing it back, some of these old classic dunks. I picked up Brazils as well, you know, when they released a couple of weeks ago. So hey man, you know, I'm just trying to make my rounds, man, and go back and pick up all those dunks that I missed out on in the earlier years, man. You know, I'm just kind of slightly getting into dunks, if I'm honest with y'all. You know, I never was really big on dunks at first, but you know, dunks are crazy, man. You know, you get the right ones, dunks are definitely a, you know, go-to shoe, man. So definitely gonna be putting some miles on these for the summer months. You know, just gonna put some outfits together, man, and we gonna definitely make it happen. But definitely happy to have the Dusty Olives, and also now the veneers are officially in the collection. So holla at me and let me know in the comment section, man, if y'all, you know, went after these when they released, and did you take a L? If you already had these, you know, from the first time they released, talk to me and let me know and what you think about these guys as well. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the next shoe. This one right here made me feel special, y'all. I felt a little exclusive, if you will, you know what I mean? So let's go and get these guys out of the box. As you know, on last week, we had a little exclusive access going on, and kind of felt like you had to be an exclusive member to go and grab these guys. You know, Nike put out this whole thing about taking L's on previous releases and things like that, but we know it's never true. You know, for some reason Nike likes to come up with these so-called stories and myths about if you took 2 L's on this silhouette earlier in the year and this, that, and the third, you'll get exclusive access. But listen, man, I don't try on sneakers out for nothing hardly, you know what I mean? Like I said, if it's a last resort, then I'll do it. But other than that, man, if it's not a draw or something like limited or simply exclusive, I pick up my shoes from Finish Line or, you know, Foot Locker or something like that. But that's neither here nor there. We got these guys right here in the building. Second pair, double up secured. Y'all already know what it is, man. We got the Air Jordan 4 Retro. Colorway is off-white, military blue, size 9. Personal pair. Did I mention double up secured? Releasing this upcoming Saturday, May the 4th. Bam! Yes, sir. The Air Jordan 4. Military blue, man. One of the highly anticipated shoes of the year. Did y'all get lucky, man? I feel like there's going to be a surplus of pairs come release day on these, man. And you shouldn't have a problem, like I said, y'all. You should not have a problem. Let me check out my pair real quick. Y'all bear with me. I got to, you know, check out these and make sure, you know, Nike took care of me, because I've been hearing a lot of things about these pairs that's been getting sent out to people, man. I just want to make sure I got a good pair. So far so good, man. I'm looking good. Don't see anything, any imperfections or anything like that. Oh man, I do see a slight glue stain right there, but I can get that off. That's no biggie. So yes, appreciate you, Nike. Appreciate you. So here we go, y'all. Air Jordan 4 Military Blues, releasing this upcoming Saturday, May the 4th. Full family size run. Hey man, get you a pair, man. These right here are gonna be a nice shoe for the summer. And honestly, y'all, I'm glad that I got exclusive access on these, because now I can just kick my feet up. I ain't gotta really stress on release day. I got my pairs and we good to go. But I do want to say good luck to everybody that's going after a pair of these, man. This is gonna be one that, you know, you don't want to sleep on. I mean, you should be able to get a pair. Like I said, there's gonna be a million pairs plus out there of these, man. So do not sleep. Just put in your raffles and your footwork and you should be able to get these with no problem. But as y'all can see, man, Nike gave me a pretty nice pair. Yep, I ain't mad at it, man. Nike Air on the back. And yes, I do have that review and on feet coming soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. Hopefully I can get it out by Friday, but it would definitely be out no later than Saturday on release day. So I definitely want to try to start working on that now, so I can get it out to y'all like a day early before the release. But, you know, it just depends on my schedule, man. Your boy be busy out here, man. But, you know, we're going to definitely make it happen. But, like I said, you would definitely get a review and on feet of these. It's been a while since I have done an on feet. So, you know, we got to get back into the swing of things when it comes to these on feet. But, yes, sir, your boy is good to go. Like I said, this is my second pair, my double up. So, I'm sitting pretty right now, man. I don't really have to worry about, you know, putting in any more raffles, man. I'm good to go. Both pairs are secured. So, hey, I'm happy about that, man. Your boy can definitely sleep in on Saturday and not have to worry about no releases. So, give y'all one more quick spin on these. These are actually growing on me, man. I mean, I know I said before that this is my least favorite colorway, and it still is, but I just like these more and more every time I see them. You know, at first it was just one of those colorways. You know, I'm a collector, so I do want to have the shoe in the collection, but, you know, as far as me doubling up on them, I mean, I wasn't going to double up on them at first, but it is an OG colorway, and I try to stay true to myself and double up on the OGs as I always do. But this was one I definitely said when I first saw images that I didn't have to have 2 pairs of them. But, you know, as far as doubling up, man, on the OGs, I try to stick to that, man. And, you know, because you just never know when you're going to get them again. So, with that being said, I went ahead and pulled the trigger. But military 4s are clean, man. Like I said, they are a little on the plain side, but that's not a bad thing. That's not always a bad thing. You know, sometimes you got to tone it down just a tad bit. But that pretty much concludes today's video, y'all. I just wanted to unbox these shoes with y'all today. You know, let me know how y'all feel about the veneer dunks, and let me know how y'all feeling about the military blue 4s if you will be picking them up. Let me know if you caught these on exclusive access, and let me know if you took a W on the Snkrs app when these released. These got here, you know, in a decent time. I want to say these dropped on Thursday. I bought these on Wednesday, and these dropped on Thursday. So, and today's Tuesday. So, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. You know, shout out to Nike for the fast shipping, man. I remember at one point in time, man, it was taking Nike a week or 2 to get your shoes, man. So, hey, man, shout out to Nike with the fast shipping, but definitely happy to add these both to the collection, man. And it's, you know, hey, it's gonna be a cold summer. That's all I gotta say, because I'm gonna start wearing a lot of these shoes, man. We gonna start rocking these shoes and stop letting them collect dust, you know, up in this shoe room. So, but that's pretty much all I got for y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and checking out this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to check out my videos as well. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. We're gonna be talking about these upcoming May releases. Got my eye on a few pairs, man. May is gonna be a crazy, crazy month. So you better get your money ready, man, because Jordan Brand and Nike are coming for those pockets, you know what I mean? But we'll talk about that tomorrow on tomorrow's video. But I'm out of here, man. But before I go, I just want to let you know, you never get a second chance to make a first impression, so always put your best foot forward. And on that note, y'all stay blessed, y'all stay fresh, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. All right, I'm gone.